Hello and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. Today we're going to be working on something super fun. Hopefully, I think this is a beginner tumbler, and as you can see I already have it taped off, and this is an AB Designs company tumbler. I will have the link for them down below. I'm also going to do, it's going to be a dirty pour with a slight twist, and these are the colors that I'm going to use. Okay, this is a ready to pour acrylic paint, which is pink, white, and lavender. And I'm going to use AB Designs, and this is Pretty in Pink Metallic Fine. And then we have Pearl Metallic Fine, as well as Violet Iridescent Fine. And I have mixed all three of those colors equal parts, because I literally just could not decide which color to go with. So I decided to mix all three and have this blend beautifully. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Get this turning, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the paints and we're just going to pour them into the cup. I really don't need a lot because I'm only doing 4 inches of the cup. As you can see, I've already measured it out. But I also don't want to not have enough. So just like a normal dirty pour, you can always take your popsicle stick and manipulate it. I also don't want it clumping around the top, and now that we've got it at the top, we can easily blow it back a little bit so it'll be nice and laid flat and not bumpy. So when using your blow dryer to get this to move, be very careful that you've got it angled and you're holding your paper down. The worst thing that you would want to happen at this point is your paper to attach to your tumbler, because that would be catastrophic. Now we're just gonna let this be and do its thing, and then we'll come back for the second half with the glitter. Stay tuned. Okay guys, and we're back, and it's been about an hour, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the painter's tape from the bottom of the cup, and then we're just gonna continue to let this spin until it's completely dry. And I just want to let you know that I went ahead and did a quick set on this top half where we did the paint for our dirty pour twist. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and apply the quick set with the glitter down here for the bottom half. And then wherever I think I might have gotten around on the paint side, I'm going to go back and clean that up. the Quick Set epoxy from Glitter Craze, which I will have the link down below for that. And so now we can go ahead and move forward with the epoxy, and then we are ready to go ahead and decal after that. Okay, now we wait just a couple of hours for this to dry and we can move on to the decal stage. So stand by, we are almost ready for the next step. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we are ready to go for decals. I soft sanded just this glitter part, and we are ready for the decal, which I'm going to use a metallic purple, which is Wake, Pray, and Slay decal. This measurement is 3.254 in width and 3.552 in length. I will have that detailed information in the description below. And so basically, I've already figured out where I want it, right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off of its backing. And ever so carefully apply it to the cup. Starting with the center, working our way out so we don't get any bubbles or any wrinkles that we do not desire. Now I have my stripe cut, and this measures 11.019 in width, and then 0.024, wait, I said that backwards. It's 0.204 in width, and then in length, it's 11.019. Though it's quite large for the width of this 20-ounce skinny, but that's okay because we're just gonna trim it up. So I am not going to want this to line up where the decal is, so I'm just going to go to the back side and place it right in the center. This cup is beautiful. All of these colors jive so well together. I'm super excited. Just want to make sure everything is nice and applied. before the last coat of epoxy because you would not want these to lift. Okay, we'll be right back for the last final coat of epoxy. Okay guys, we are back and we are ready for the final coat. And I did add snow caps from AB Designs into the epoxy. This is an epoxy additive. I will have the link down below for that, as well as the first 3 glitters that I used for right here. All right, here we go. Thank you guys so much for joining me back with Everything Tumbler Tutorials, and I look forward to seeing you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. New tutorials are always launching. Can't wait to see you next time.